In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Gem inside Gemini with best practices in less than 5 minutes. So be sure to stick around for the full video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and the reality here is that AI is going to replace millions of marketers and content creators, but it doesn't have to be you. And if you want to stay ahead, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. This includes my favorite AI tools, prompts, templates, and more. You can get my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. So if you're unfamiliar with Google Gems, these are customized versions of Google Gemini, and you can think of these as alternatives to custom GPTs, Claude projects, etc. These are really catered to those who are avid users of Google Gemini and prefer the Gemini models. And Google Gems are completely free to create now. You don't need to be on the paid plan of Gemini Advanced for $20 a month like you had to previously, but I will say your usage is extremely limited if you're using the free version of Gemini. So now let's create a Google Gem from scratch. And in this example, I am on the free version of Google Gemini. You must be signed in with the free Google account though in order to use this. From the home screen on the left-hand side, you should see an option that says Explore Gems. Go ahead and click that. Now, very first here, there are some pre-made gems made by Google. Brainstormer, Career Guide, Coding Partner, Learning Coach, Writing Editor. Some of these can be very beneficial depending on your use cases. But if you want to create your own, click New Gem. This will take you to the gem build out menu. Now, all we want to do first is give it a name. I'm going to do email gem in this example. Now for the instructions, I already have instructions ready to go here. And so I'm going to copy and paste my email newsletter instructions. And they are very detailed. I've tested this over time, and I'm going to paste that in here. Now, if you don't know where to get instructions for your Google Gem, I have several prompts inside my AI community, which only cost $1 to join, by the way. I'll leave that link in the description below. And there are prompts here that can help you get detailed descriptions for customized versions of AI, just like Google Gems. Now, the next step we need to do is add knowledge and train this gem. So I'm going to click the plus icon here. One benefit of a Google Gem is it obviously has a direct integration with Google Drive. So you can upload files straight from Google Drive, or you can upload from your desktop. I already have a folder here ready to go. And what I'm going to do is upload all of these different files. And you'll notice a lot of these files are PDFs. So these are previous email newsletters that I've written in my writing style, in my format, on specific topics. So I'm essentially training this Google Gem to write email newsletters just like me in a specific format. I also gave it words and phrases to avoid, delve, intricacies, right? All these BS AI words that we do not want in our outputs. I gave it my LinkedIn profile, other writing samples, etc. Now what we want to do is click save, and we've successfully created our first Google Gem. So now you'll notice our Google Gem is on the left-hand side. We can pin it, edit, delete it, etc. But the big limitation here is the usage limits, and you only get 2 models on Gemini, the free version, 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Pro Preview. I will say that Google AI Studio is actually a better product than Google Gems inside Gemini. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can use this completely for free with a Google account. You get access to way more Gemini models, as you'll see I'm filtering through 2.0, all the different ones on 2.5 Pro, etc., etc. You can stream real time, generate images here with Imagen 4. You can build apps here. This is just a much better platform that's completely free to use, in my opinion, than sticking with Google Gems. So I wanted to call that out. If you made it through this quick tutorial, I appreciate you. If you found value, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, also leave me a comment below. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.